Hey guys, PhoneArena here, just shooting a quick video sample with the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S. It's a 4K video sample, playing at 30 frames per second. Image stabilization is enabled for this video. I'm gonna zoom in a bit and see how far we can get with this camera. Here we are at 8 times digital zoom. This is the maximum zoom setting that we have with this camera. It's a very slow zoom slider. I need to pinch in and pinch out, but it's pretty slow. This is 6 times digital zoom. 2 times. And here we are back to normal. I'm gonna give the autofocus a quick test now. Okay, that was a quick 4K video out of the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S.